All right, hopefully you tried these out, but we're going to go over these right now. So let's see. Okay, so graph this whole thing. It's negative there. Whoops. Scooch. This negative means it opens downward. We start with x equals negative b over 2a. So it'd be negative 4 over 2 times negative 2. So positive 4 over negative 4, which is negative 1. That will be our axis of symmetry on this graph. Then we need to substitute in that value. F of negative 1 negative 1 squared is 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So we put in negative 1. We got out positive 2. This is our vertex. Right there. Then it says find the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is whatever's at the end. There is nothing at the end here. So if we put in 0, we're going to get out 0 because 0 squared is 0 times negative 2 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. And 0 minus 0, hey, that's 0. So that is 2 places away from our axis of symmetry. So we go 2 places the opposite direction. There is our parabola. Now, on this graph, it was 2 spaces away. But in real numbers, remember this is 0, this is negative 1, and this is negative 2. So technically, they are 1 integer away from that axis of symmetry. All right, 2b. It's positive, so it's going to open upward. If we start with negative b over 2a, we'd have negative 3 over 2 times 1, which gives us negative 3 over 2, which is negative 1.5. So negative 1 is here, negative 1.5. If I could draw a straight line, that would be so great. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, all right. Then we got to plug that in. G of negative 1.5 Okay, so negative 1.5 squared is 2.25. 3 times negative 1.5 is negative 4.5 minus 1. 2.25 minus 4.5 is negative 2.25. Did I do that right? Yeah. And negative 2.25 minus 1 is negative 3.25. I'm running out of room here. Let me see if I could scooch down. Give me a moment's time. There we are. So we put in negative 1.5. We got out negative 3.25. This is our vertex. Negative 1.5. Here's negative 3. Here's negative 3.5. So it'll be about right there in the middle. That'll be our vertex. But we need some other points. So it says use the y-intercept, which the y-intercept in this case is negative 1. So we're going to have a point at 0, negative 1, which is right there. That is 3 spaces away from the axis of symmetry. So we can go 3 the opposite way. And there we go.